Welcome, Snapchat users. Are you looking to enable text notifications from Snapchat? In this full guide, we'll show you how to turn on text notifications step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Step 2. In the Snapchat app, locate the account icon. You'll find it in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your settings. Step 3. Within the settings menu, look for the gear icon. This represents the settings option. Tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 4. Inside the settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. Step 5. Scroll down through the various notification options until you reach Promotional Notifications. Step 6. Enable the Promotional Notifications option. By following these steps, you can effectively enable text notifications from Snapchat, ensuring you receive updates and messages in real time. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled text notifications from Snapchat. Stay connected with your friends and never miss important messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and Snapchat tips. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enable text notifications from Snapchat. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.